You're working on the next big thing in wireless tech, and bringing the latest innovations to your device will make it the hottest thing on the market and give you a leg up on the competition. Of course, you want every device to work without a hitch, but testing in the lab, DVT, and on the manufacturing floor can take precious time, occupying your developers as they adapt hardware and software for your testing needs. Your ideas should be just as amazing in your customers' hands as they are in the lab. So product testing should empower your team, not slow them down. At LitePoint, we create easy-to-use, easy-to-deploy test systems so you can focus on doing what you do best. Leading the way in wireless testing, LitePoint consolidates everything into a single platform so you can use the same testing process in the lab, during DVT, and on the factory floor. It's so simple. Your developers will have it up and running in no time at all. That way, your ideas work for your customers the way you design them to. And your team can get back to the lab to come up with the next big thing. That's simplicity through innovation. That's LitePoint.